Guys, check this house out today. This is a TA 4000. This is a huge home. It's 4,000 square feet. There's a lot of different ways. This one's almost finished up. You can chop this out just to show you what this client's done is they've made this home 5 bedrooms, 2 offices, 2 living spaces. They did a 3-car garage, which is a fantastic idea. 1 double bay, 1 single. Take the water heater, all gas is outside, so you'll never run out of hot water. Half bath downstairs. We saw office 1, here is office 2. They did a coat closet right when you walk in. Like I said, there's their half bathroom. Look how big the TA 4000 is. It's a true entertainer's dream. You have a massive kitchen. This client did a massive island. This is in Edgewater. This lot's fantastic. Just sodded the grass. This is almost a ½ acre angled into the woods. Look how big the living room and open the TA 4000 is. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways you can build this home out. Here is their pantry. They have plenty of cabinet space, but they also have a massive pantry. Look how big the kitchen is. They poured a ton of concrete in the back. You might as well, $10 a square feet, 10 by 10 is only $1,000. Pour as much as you want when you build it so they don't have to come back and tear your yard up, and you pay twice as much after you finish the home. This is the bedroom on the first floor. It's not the primary bedroom, but it feels like it. Here is, they put dual vanities in the bathroom. A nice closet. Really large bedroom with pocket doors. I'm gonna take you upstairs, show you an additional 4 bedrooms, a massive living space, and 3 more full bathrooms. This is bedroom number 2, full bath. This house is being finished as we speak, so not quite finished yet. It's got its own bath. This is a massive secondary flex space. Looks like the client's got it set up to be a little movie theater room. There's your laundry area, huge as well. Got the folding table, it's a must. If you ever had one, you know what I'm talking about. Here are 2 more bedrooms. Share this full bathroom as well. Isn't that a beautiful view? It's a fantastic lot. Nice walk-in closet. Then let me show you the primary. They trade the ceilings in the primary, did his and hers closets. It's another thing I love about this floor plan. And then here is the primary bath. You've got a door on the toilet people love, full bath, and a massive shower. Another reason I love the TA 4000, it splits the 2 vanities on either side, and there's a break between. I wanted to show you when it's still under construction to see how clean and tidy we keep our construction when we build these houses. Also, another thing I love about the TA 4000, look how large this hallway is. So there you have it. This is the TA 4000. You can put up to 7 bedrooms in this home. This client chose to do 5 with 2 offices, 2 living spaces. It's just an awesome plan, huge bang for your buck. Some communities, the TA 4000 can be built for right around $400,000. Awesome, awesome, awesome home. Guys, I'm Blake. I sell real estate for True Homes. Contact me anytime, 843-810-0788. Thanks, bye.